Sometimes you walk into a place and it just feels like home. The combination of space, natural light, beautiful views, and high-quality renos, and later you say to your friends, it just felt perfect. Well, this is that place. 307 in 50 the Boardwalk Way is the condo you've been waiting your whole life to enjoy. This 1643 square foot Pebble Beach unit is the most popular floor plan in Swan Lake's The Boardwalk Way condos, and it's easy to see why, with oversized windows and generous room sizes. Let's take a look. As you walk into the suite, you're greeted by a proper entrance, with room for a table and a spot to sit and take off your shoes, along with a front hall closet before the hallway leads you into the hub of this sunny home. The current owner did a complete renovation, with the showpiece being this gorgeous custom kitchen, bigger than most houses. This is the kitchen you've dreamed of, featuring quartz countertops, a center island, stylish backsplash with under cabinet pot lighting, a double sink with pull-out tap, and fully customized soft close cabinetry. The elegant cabinetry finish includes crown molding topper and has many pot drawers, platter and baking sheet storage cabinets, hidden drawers for tall bottles, built-in wine storage, pull-outs in cabinet, and separate garage and recycling pull-outs. The appliances have been upgraded with a built-in microwave hood fan, smooth top stove with double oven, double door fridge with water line and bottom mount freezer, and built-in dishwasher. The adjoining breakfast area has wall-to-wall windows with southwest views and customized Hunter Douglas remote control blinds. This space can function as your everyday eating area, and we've also had clients set this room up as a small family room, complete with this built-in TV alcove. The custom chef's desk is a wonderful spot to sit on a Sunday afternoon, catching up on your to-do lists. There's updated laminate flooring throughout the suite, as well as updated pot lighting. The huge combined living and dining room features this laminate flooring, plus walls of windows with south and west views, complete with custom Hunter Douglas remote controlled blinds and custom balances. This flexible floor plan can be separate living and dining areas or an oversized living area. The custom dining room hutch with built-in lighting and the corner TV cabinet with built-in electric fireplace will stay for the next owner to enjoy. The living room has a walkout to the covered south-facing balcony, yours to enjoy rain or shine. Sit and watch the world go by as you're perched above the tree level with a bird's eye view of the neighborhood. This is a private split bedroom floor plan that has had some reconfiguration to make the unit more accessible. The primary bedroom has had the doorway widened and was reconfigured to create a larger walk-in closet with organizers. There are Hunter Douglas remote control blackout blinds, a custom balance, laminate floors, a ceiling fan, and a full ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bathroom was completely renovated with accessibility in mind, with a wide door and light switches lowered to a more accessible level. A double vanity with quartz countertops, an undermount sink, custom drawers, and pullouts in the vanity to maximize storage, a roll-in shower stall with seat, rain shower, and handheld shower head, and a custom linen or bathroom storage cabinets with pullouts and drawers. There is also a custom medicine cabinet and upgraded lighting and pot lighting. The second bedroom on the other side of the suite has laminate flooring, a closet, Hunter Douglas remote control blackout blinds, balance, and built-in cabinetry. It's conveniently located next to another linen closet and close to the second full private bathroom. There is ensuite laundry, one underground parking spot, and one large locker are included in the unit. This friendly low-rise building is only 4 stories high and has a welcoming lobby with dedicated party room that hosts lots of weekly social events in the building. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living, and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stouffville Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407.